Hey guys, this is David. Just want to let you know we're out today this morning. It is now 7:30 on December 10th. We're going to go out and see if I can get the shot today. It's very foggy, dense fog. You probably see maybe 100, 200 feet in front of you. It's going to be very overcast and cloudy, and this afternoon is supposed to rain. We had a really cold front for the past 2 weeks, and this is the first warm-up. So as far as photography goes, since it's so dark and gray out, I'm bringing my 300 2.8 lens, very fast lens, out to the park today because I'm going to need as much light as possible in these conditions. I'm not bringing a flash, and it's kind of hard to do wildlife with a flash and also with fog. So this is the only thing I got. This is what I'm going to be using today. So let's go out and see if I can get the shot today. Don't know what we're going to run into. Did see a lot of beaver damage the other day in the park, so we might get lucky and find one of those elusive beavers early this morning. Or we might find an owl, barred owl, or we might even find a red shoulder hawk, which have been in the park all over the place. So lots of stuff to go see. We're going to see what we can get into. Let's see if I can get the shot today. Alright, we made it to the park, so let's go ahead and grab our gear and head out and see what we can find. We'll have to see. The fog has cleared up a little bit. Nobody's in the park, it looks like, in the parking lot, which is a good thing for us. We can go out and see what we can shoot today. So let's see if I get the shot. Alright guys, you're in luck. Ran into a pileated woodpecker. Let's see if we can get a picture of him here working. There's two of them in here. He's right here bouncing on the tree above us. Try and get the shot. There's one in here. He's about 25 feet away from me. These birds are not really scared too much of people. Try to get a good shot here of him. Okay. That one's walking up the tree. Hey, how you doing? All right. Oh, he just flew over my head and he landed. I don't know if you can spot him. He's up in that tree now. There's two of them. There's that guy right there. There's another one right here. He's just on the other side. Let's see if I can get some pictures of him. Okay, he walked around the tree. There he is. Get patient with these guys. Here he comes. You see bark peeled off a tree like this, that's a pretty good sign that these guys are the ones that are doing it. You can see he is just hammering away on this tree. Looking for termites and bugs. You can hear my camera going off. I'm trying to get the shot. That's just the back of him. I don't want the back of him at all. There we go. With the parallel side of him. And now that branch is in the way. Let's see if we can move over here and get a better shot. branch. There you go. There's good action shots. I'm shooting this 20 frames a second at 1/1000th of a second. I'm trying to get him to chip some of that bark off and catch that actually in the footage. He is nailing that tree. See if I can get a better angle down here. Here we go. This is a shot right here. Come on, knock it off. There, guys. He's looking for termites. This is how I get the pileated woodpecker. This guy's about maybe 20, 30 feet from me right now. My camera's locking in on his eye. Perfect. This is the type of guy I get with an impact shot with a fast exposure. I'm gonna take it up to 20. I'm gonna take it up to 1/1600th of a second. See if I can freeze his shot when he gets his head. He bangs it. There we go. All right, guys. Let's see if you think I got the shot. Get some side angle shot. Oh, there he goes. These guys bang so hard, you have to get them, wait till them turn sideways. I'll be able to crop in on this. Alright, there you go. That's a pileated woodpecker. He's a fairly good sized one. There's two of them in here. It's a male and female. They're working these trees really hard. It's a very common bird in here this time. It's the largest woodpecker in the United States. If you ever see one, you won't forget it. They're pretty big. And when they're busy like this working on a tree, you can get some really good photographs of them because they really don't pay attention to you. I'm sitting here talking to you full, like you're standing here with me, and that guy's not even paying attention to me. He's so much into his bugs right now, he's not going to go after me at all. You can see the red little mark on his cheek. That's how you tell if it's a male or female. It's the only difference is one has the red mark on the cheek, the other one does not. I think it's the male that has the markings. I'll have to check on that, but I think that's what it is. Alright, let's go down here and see if we can find something else. I'm going to do a video a little bit closer for you guys to see what he looks like up close. Shooting video with my Z9 right now. Thought I'd do this a little bit. What he looks like up close. Shooting video with my Z9 right now. Thought I'd do this a little bit. As you can see, these guys are quite loud, and they work very quickly on chiseling this stuff out. Today we're getting some good footage, video, and pictures of a pileated woodpecker. All right, enough of the woodpecker. I think I got some good shots of him. I'll show you what the pictures are in the video right here to let you see what they are. But if you can listen, you can hear those guys a mile away. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe the video down below. If you like what you saw, that's great. Let me know. Let me know if there's any species of birds or any places you want me to go visit to see if I can get the shot. Other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to get that camera out and have fun.